you can understand what exactly I would like to tell you. So, um, actually, I wanted to uh, tell you about my experiences I have for different types of programs. So, what I'm telling you here, that as I told you, my name is there, and for any kind of query related to career counseling, you can contact me. So what is happening actually with the students, like many of the students I came across for last 1 and 2 months, I would say they are confused. They don't know what is to be done, what they are supposed to do. I had a talk with many parents, and they are even saying that I don't know, result is not out, so how to fill up the form. So here I would like to say that you have to decide. You have to come out of that zone, that what you are supposed to do, you know, because this is your career. Whatever you are going to choose, that is going to work for you for entire life. No? So that is why I'm showing you this presentation, that how it is important. Look, when we are even buying a mobile set, a tab or laptop, what we generally do? What we generally do? We do need analysis, right? We do need analysis, that what kind of need I'm having, whether my mobile, my laptop or my tablet, it is going to fulfill those needs. No? So similarly, for the career, we have to ensure that which course, how much budget, we have to ensure, just like we go for buying such IT products nowadays, which is very much important to attend the online classes. You must have either good mobile set, laptop, or the tabs. Then only you will be able to complete your courses. Even as per the recommendations and information available, entire almost 2022, it is going, we are going under this online process only. Meaning is that the classes will run online. It is expected. So here, what I would like to tell you, that we have to understand that what is my budget, what is my need, which type of course I'm supposed to do, so that after completing that course, I will be able to perform well in the different companies or the corporate sector or anywhere you are going for that matter, right? So what we have to do, we have to check the things, how these courses are going to help me out. You people are from different backgrounds. Some are from science, some are from humanity, from commerce, from many other specializations you have done in your 10 plus 2. So I would like to suggest you that you must go for career counseling, where one professional can teach you, can let you know for what kind of career you should opt for. I am telling you such kind of uh, information, and the career counseling sessions. Hardly 1% students are joining. Hardly 1% parents are allowing their students to join, or parents are aware that which kind of course is better for his or her ward. Try to understand here that we each one are unique person. We have different, the mindset. We have different strengths. We have different weaknesses. So how is it possible that if X is doing NEET examination, Y will also appear for NEET? No, it is not required. Maybe possible that Y is good for engineering courses. So that is how we have to understand that which career is going to, help you out in the long run, because this is a very crucial stage where you are selecting your career, right? So that is what I would like to tell you. So just to contact me, you have to dial my number, that is 99583620027. I am repeating it, 99583620027. 5836227. I'm going to write down this number in the description box also. You are required to comment your questions, what you wanted to learn about career counseling, and what kind of courses you are looking for, whether this course is going to help you out in the long run or not. These all things we can discuss together. So that is what I can share here with you people. By these words, what I would like to say that wish you all the very best. Join me. Let us join together and work together to join a better course for your career. And yes, mind it, the last date to apply in Guru Gobind Singh Prastha University is 31st July 2021. Again, I am repeating it, 31st July 2021. Mind it, please. And I'm going to drop a form also. There you can apply and you can ask for career counseling. Right? Wish you all the very best. By these words, I'm just saying bye. Take care.